workshop colour. Hello, I'm Medina King, founder of MK Kids Interiors. MK Kids Interiors is an award-winning interior design company for children. Have you ever wanted to design your own bedroom? Have you ever wanted to design your own playroom? Have you ever thought of designing your cushions and curtains to go in your room, or even creating a piece of artwork for your special space? Well, this workshop is for you. It's an interior design workshop for children. This is going to be a fun-packed workshop with lots of different activities. You will not be bored, and it's not one to miss, and it will be coming right to you, to your doorstep, into your home. You don't have to go anywhere. All you have to do is sign up and we will get the workshop to you.